Welcome back, railroad fans. Welcome back to another amazing adventures on the hot rails of the DQE, known as DeQueen Eastern Railroad. Alrighty, guys, the local is on its way to Valiant. Here they come right now. It is about 11:54, so they should be at least by around Valiant, at least by 1, hopefully. So they should be. Here they come. Here comes my friends. No, it's my brothers. They're on their way to Valiant. Like I said, folks, they're on their way to Valiant. Whew. There they go. They're off like a herd of turtles. So, alrighty, share, comment, subscribe. Oh yeah, guys, if you're ever in this area, please do speed limit. Please do 35 and don't get a ticket. And if you do, you better have a better excuse. So now I gotta go pay a ticket off next month. And so I don't know how much it costs, and then also, if the officer don't tell his name, tell him to please tell what his name is, and also, you know stuff about that stuff. You know everyone. Alrighty, guys, share, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. Martian out. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys next time on another adventures on the hot rails of DQE. Alright, guys, if you If you see him have a finger up like this, that's him saying hi. Some train engineers, they don't mind being a togger feed, but some of them are not going to stick their head out the window like most of them. Some of them will do like this, and some of them will do like this, and some of them will do it like this. And it doesn't mean loser, nothing like that. It's just that's them saying hi. I've seen you before. And sometimes they do this. I have seen you more than once, and so I know who it is, and I know who they are. They are my good friends. They're my brothers, and they drive the night shift, and they should be on their way back. Hopefully maybe around 2. It won't take them long because they gotta drop a couple of cars off at the North Pass, down at the North Pass, and pick the chips onto the meal. So, share, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, everyone. See you guys later on my next adventures on the hot rails of the DQ, on the DQE, known as the DeQueen Eastern Railroad. I'll see you guys later. Marshalling out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And happy railroad fanning, guys. Be safe out there on the hot rails. People known as the hot iron. I call it the hot rails. See you guys later. Marshalling out. This goes for all my fans out there, including my subscribers and my viewers. Marshalling out.